In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to export your PowerPoint slides in full 1920 by 1080 resolution, so your presentations look sharp, professional, and perfect for YouTube, online courses, or client delivery. If you've ever exported a slideshow and noticed the quality looked blurry or low resolution, this step-by-step guide will fix that. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important settings. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides just like this. Now, let's jump right in. First, open your presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint. Once your file is open and ready, go to the top left corner of the screen and click on the File tab. This will open the main PowerPoint menu, where you'll see several options like Home, New, Open, Save, and more. From the menu on the left side, click on Export. The Export section is where PowerPoint allows you to change your presentation into different formats, such as PDF, video, or other file types. Since we want to create a high-resolution video version of our slides, this is the section we need. After clicking Export, look for the option that says Create a Video and click on it. This is the feature that converts your PowerPoint slides into a video file. Once you click it, you'll see several video settings appear on the right side of the screen. Now here's the most important part. Click on the Video Quality drop-down menu. You'll see different resolution options available, typically including 4K if supported, 1080p Full HD, 720p, and sometimes lower resolutions. To export your slides in 1920 by 1080 resolution, select the option labeled Full HD 1080p. This ensures your final video will be exported at 1920 by 1080, which is the standard resolution for high-quality online video. After selecting 1080p, review the timing settings just below. If you've already set slide timings and narrations, you can choose to use those recorded timings. If not, you can set the number of seconds each slide will display. Adjust this according to your needs so your video plays exactly how you want it to. Once everything looks good, click on the Create Video button. PowerPoint will now prompt you to choose where you want to save the exported video file. Select the folder or location on your computer where you'd like the file to be stored. It's a good idea to rename the file clearly so you can find it easily later. After choosing your location, click Save. PowerPoint will begin exporting your presentation as a 1920 by 1080 video file. Depending on the length of your presentation and the number of animations or transitions included, this process may take a few moments. You'll see a progress bar at the bottom of the PowerPoint window showing the export status. Once it's finished, your full HD video will be ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully exported your PowerPoint slides in 1920 by 1080 resolution. This method ensures your presentations look crisp and professional, whether you're uploading to YouTube, sharing with clients, or using them in online training platforms. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future PowerPoint and software tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.